everyone, welcome to our channel.
We're going to the Japanese garden today.
Yeah, we made a delivery here to Watson Island, to Jungle Island, and next to Jungle Island is the Japanese garden. So we're here, so might as well. Yeah.
Is that the Japanese garden?
Yeah, it is. Look, that's the Japanese garden back there. So that's where we're going. All right. Stick around. Yeah, I know. Oh, look at this. City of Miami, the ports. Okay, so it's just supporters. Okay, let's go in. Well, where do we go?
We go to street.
Oh, here, look, this is what it's called. Ichimura Miami Japan Garden. It's a sign for meditation and cultural enrichment. Ooh, that's a cool cat. It's for luck. It's a lucky cat. So this is it. We're gonna do this in 10 minutes or less. 5. No, less than that. 2. 100 seconds.
Hi, Birdie.
I wonder if there's koi in here. Oh, look, there's little fish. Little tiny fish. They're really dark. I don't know if you can see them. Swimming around in there.
Mom, I see a bee.
And there's a bee. The bees don't do anything. The bees don't do anything. Just don't scare the bee. You can have a picnic over there. I'm gonna walk around this way while she's looking at the fish. There's plenty of benches to sit on.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they have a festival here once a year.
I want to see a festival.
Yeah, that festival must be cool.
Okay, look for the fish.
I see one.
Where?
He's right there somewhere, right there.
What are you even doing?
I'm walking backwards. We did it. We did the whole thing. That's it. That's it. And then now we're leaving. All right, everyone. This is your Japanese garden where you can come and meditate. And this would be a really nice place to come and meditate. There's nobody here. I mean, we ran into two people. Grasshoppers?
I see one. It's a grasshopper.
go. That's where we came in by. We came in through there. Oh, that's it. This is it.
I see fish. What's fish? I see the fish. I wish I was a fish.
All right, everyone. So that was the Japanese garden. Thank you so much for watching. We're done. This has been the shortest video I've ever done. So I'm glad we came, and we'll do this again another time when there's a festival or something happening, because this is actually kind of cool here. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever we're posting these funny videos of wherever we're at last moment. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye.
What, mommy? What, mommy? What you said, like, about the ticket?
I said let's go before they give us a ticket. Bye.
What's ticket?